各位大家好啊！咁啊，今日咧就突然間好 ad-hoc 咁啊，我喺我身邊嘅有張國榮，唔係佢係 Michael Lee， 我朋友。咁啊，佢就早2日咧打電話俾我，就話咧突然間想做一啲嘢，就係咩咧？就係一樣嘢我哋叫 Trichromatic photography。咁呢個咁嘅方法咧，就係有一個 your friend did he invented that or what?
No, he didn't. He didn't invent it. He just I think he reverse engineered the trichromatic process, which is a historical process in photography to create color photography from black and white.
Okay.
So his idea, Simon, if you're watching, this is for you. If his idea was to take if you ever look in Photoshop, and we'll probably put something up right now, and you look at the channels, and you see the RGB channels. If you look at them, sometimes you manipulate them. They are actually black and white images that create, when you blend them together, they create the color photograph that you work on. So what his idea was, why don't you shoot those black and white images with red, green, and blue filters over the camera, and then reassemble them back in Photoshop, and in theory, it should give you a color image, right? The problem is that you have to shoot it in black and white. You can't shoot a color image and then convert it to black and white from a regular.
That's meaningless,
right? So if you're going to do it digitally, there's only 2 cameras available out there that are true black and white sensors, and one of them is the phase one, achromatic back, and the other one is a Leica M that also they make for, and that's a 35mm full frame. So fortunately, phase one was kind enough to provide us with an achromatic back. So literally 48 hours ago, this was all just a dream. And now we are shooting 2 days later with an achromatic back. We have a car that was graciously lent to us by Audi, Hong Kong, and it's a new A7. So we're combining everything together, and we've got the filters, which were not the easiest to find, right? So we're doing that today, and we're just we have no idea what to expect. We're trying it out, and we're just going to shoot pure black and white images with RGB filters, separate exposures, and as a 4th exposure, we're actually going to shoot just a plain black and white image with no filters on it, just as a reference, maybe to get the best contrast and the best sharpness. And then if we need to use it, we have it there ready afterwards in post-production. So that's the theory.
Okay.
And we're going to see what happens.
I was thinking if we could get a shot with those
slats?
Yeah. Hello. 唔好意思啊，我想問下咧，我哋其實玩嘅，我哋想影張相。咁你估我哋可唔可以泊架車入嚟呢度喺呢度影張相咧？會唔會阻你哋咧？咁啊，頭先我就走去麻煩咗三生牌嘅。佢哋個酒廠喺呢度，香港原來三生牌個酒廠喺呢度啊！咁我就走去問佢，喂，我可唔可以揸架車入去喺嗰度嗰啲卡板嗰度影張相啊？咁就嗰位同事又好人，佢話問廠長，咁我哋就等廠長出嚟。我哋見到啲卡板好得意，我哋諗下可唔可以擺架車過嚟，我哋喺度影張相，可能阻你一陣15分鐘到咁樣。唔該晒你，唔該晒你 ，thank you， 唔該廠長。
See, Yankov, you should do it more often, man.
知唔知咩叫植入式廣告啊？植入體內嘅植入式廣告啊！因為咧，我哋知道咧，就係紅色嗰張同埋藍色嗰張嘅 exposure 咧係一樣嘅，綠色嗰張咧係光啲，所以我哋而家每一張相咧都係先影紅色，先影藍色，然之後就要轉個 exposure 先影綠色嘅。OK, 7 shot. That's crazy. I don't know. Let's take a shot.
No, that makes sense.
7 shots.
It kind of makes sense, actually. Yes, it's not, yeah.
Shut up and sit down.
The problem we had today where we were trying to use these filters that were not the best quality. They had the right color, but they weren't optically good enough to match the high resolution of the digital back, because we're shooting at 100 megapixels, so it demands like the best optical quality in both the lenses and anything you put in front of the lenses, which is filters. So it gave us blurry shots once we put those color filters on. So if we had more time to get a better set of filters to work with, we can probably try this test again. Because I think today what we're doing is we're just trying it out. Hopefully the pure black and white shot that we did without any color filters would help us get some sharpness back in the image, but we have no idea yet. In the best case, we should have better quality RGB filters. And if we do get those, then that would allow us to actually play around with combining them with ND filters. Because I was thinking of actually doing some kind of motion blur with NDs. And since this digital back's base ISO is 200, we have to actually fight with that to get it to go slower, right? So we need NDs stacked on top of these color filters just to make motion blurring work, which is challenging, right? But as a first try, I think it went well. So I'm looking forward to see what.
Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen when we put them all together on Photoshop yet. 因為我哋而家就係知道我哋而家手頭上，因為好倉促咁樣，我哋攞咗幾張 filter， 亦都冇考慮過呢幾張 filter。佢唔好講話頭先阿 Michael 講過嘅關於佢個 quality 啦，亦都係佢個色準唔準啦。我哋肯定係會出事嘅呢個。咁我哋今次試係真係翻去睇下會究竟發生咩事啦。如果呢次得嘅話，我相信我哋一定會問 Phase One 再攞過呢一個 back， 再試過用啲更高嘅 filter 先至對得住 Phase One 㗎，係咪先
？Like personally, I don't mind that the filters are not perfectly red, green, and blue. I'm actually counting on that they're not, right?
So that you got that effect.
So it's going to color shift for sure, and I'm looking forward to actually good color shifting, because if it just gave us a very color balanced color image in the end, that's not that interesting to me. I'm actually hoping to see it color shifting one way. Like the green could color shift this way, and then the red can color shift this way, and then those combinations will give us some very unique colors. And I think that's kind of the whole point of doing this.
Okay.
Right? So the whole point is not to just reassemble a perfect color balanced neutral image, because you might as well just go out and shoot with a normal digital camera.
That's true, that's true. I don't know, because 因為有人提過呢個，其實呢個方法我可能之前聽過嘅。咁呢個聽過之後咧，我就覺得係唔係究竟係唔係我哋要花咁多嘅精力去做呢樣嘢，而我哋真係會得到個好啲嘅 image quality 咧？因為我哋一開始都提過 ，suppose 一個純黑白嘅機背或者純黑白嘅一部相機，因為冇咗前面嗰個 Bayer filter， 佢係 你真係每粒 pixel 用到盡，所以佢嘅 sharpness 嘅 detail 係最好噶嘛。所以如果我哋可以喺咁樣嘅情況之下，我哋 take 呢個 effort 用3張唔同嘅 filter 去影咗呢3張相 combine 翻佢，應該理論上我哋可以攞到一個佢嘅 dynamic range 同埋佢個 sharpness 嘅 detail 係更加好最好噶嘛。咁如果我哋係 take 呢個 effort 而做呢樣嘢係可以有一個好啲嘅 result 嘅話，咁當然有人會咁做啦，亦都有可能有啲 fine art photographer 佢會選擇咁做啦。但係阿 Michael take 緊嘅 approach 咧就唔係啦，就係話咁咪有佢 color shift 咯，我就係想咁玩喎。所以其實兩樣我都試，我都想試，我都想知道個 result 係咩，咁就即管再翻去睇下真係 Photoshop combine 嘅時候會點咯。